welcome to this graphics design section. I'm glad it's Judy, and I'll be showing you how to design simple birthday flyer just like what you're seeing here. Exactly this. So let's start. The first thing I need to do, I want to delete this so that we can start afresh. So I'll go to default. Okay. Alright, I don't need this text, so I'm going to delete it. Okay. So now, first thing I want to change this background to white. To do that, come here. Come here. Change the background to white. Okay, so come here. Change it to white. I want it to be white. Then the next thing I'll do will be to bring in the balloons. Okay, so I will come here. Okay, for newbies, let me show you. To do that, I'll come here to this plus sign here. Okay, click on this plus, then select from gallery. Okay, so I want to select from my gallery. So I'll pick this. This is what I want. Okay. And I'll come here and I'll rotate it just a little. If I remember very well. Okay, for me to even remember what I'm trying to do again, see something. Let me import the picture of what I did earlier. So from gallery, this is it. Okay. Alright, thank you. So I'll just keep this by the side and use it as a guide to recreate it. That's how you can do yours too if you want to. Okay, see, I was almost tilting this balloon this way. I forgot that I put it this way. So tilt it like this. Okay. Use this. Okay, I just want to use it as a guide. Tilt it. Then I need to duplicate it. To do that, I'll come here. Alright. Then I click on copy. Okay, you can see it. So now I will only just come here to rotate it. I'll touch that to rotate it. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Then I'll reduce it a little just so that it will tally with this other one. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do will be to bring in I'm going to bring in the frame. Okay, so now I go to my gallery, and then this is the frame here. Just reduce it a little. Okay, so I bring my frame here, enlarge it a little bit. I'm trying to do exactly what I did here earlier. Then now, the next thing I'll do will be to bring in the picture of the lady. Okay, from gallery again, click on the plus sign. From gallery, this is the picture of the lady here. Okay, so I'll come here and adjust the size to where I want it to be. Okay. Let's adjust the size. Alright. I'll bring it down a little. Okay, just it one more time. All right, I want to lock these balloons and the rest so they don't move. This, and this. I'm going to lock them in place. Sorry for newbies to do that. This is where you go to. All right, you touch that, and then you see I just locked it. Click on the padlock button, the padlock option. Click on it. That's how you lock a tool or an item you have brought into your design. So now, following this one, the next thing I did was to input the text, right? Okay, so I'll come to this plus again for text. Come here, and then I'll enter the text. To edit it, come here, okay? Touch this, then click on edit. Delete it, and then I'll write happy. That was the first one I did. And then you scroll through to increase the font size. Let me take this one up here so it won't obstruct what I'm doing. Increase the font size. Let me see, I think this is too big. Alright. Then the next thing I want to do is to change the font. I can't even remember the font I used initially. Let me go with this. And then change the color. I want it to be pure black. Okay, it says black. Then I'll input another text again. Come here to edit. And type birthday. Increase the font again. Repeat the same thing. Increase the font. Bring it here. This one is slightly bigger than. It's going to be slightly bigger than this happy. Okay, but I want to change the color. So to change the color, I'll come here, change the color, click on that. I want this gold color. Let me see. Okay, that's okay. But then I want to change the font. Let me come here. I can't even remember what font I used. I can't remember. Let me go back to this. And maybe I can't remember the font. Please just pick whatever font you think is okay for you. Okay, let me work with this. And the next thing I did was to let me enlarge. I've touched this, right? So for me to work on this, I'll come here. Sorry. I'll come here and touch it. Okay, so that I can effectively work on that one that I've highlighted. And then I'll bring it to front, see to front, because I want it in front here. I want to see what I did. I want to expand it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to put this effect by the side of this happy birthday that I put here. So now to do that, it's a font. So you need to download your own font for you to be able to do that. So I'll just go and click on plus and then text, and then to edit, come here, A. Okay, when I touch A, I scroll through to fonts. Alright, it's in my fonts. Okay, so I'll scroll. This was the font I used. I can't remember the name, but I had to type in letter N. Okay, let me type in letter N. It was N I used to get that effect there. Lowercase n, And then I come to fonts. My fonts. I can't remember the name of the font. Please, you need to download your own font for you to have the same effect. Okay, so I click on that, and that's why it gave me that shape. And the next thing I want to do will be to enlarge it. Okay, so increase the size just a little. I'm going to reduce the size of this happy and the size of this birthday too. Okay. And then this font, this special font, let me reduce the size too. Okay. And for the other side, I used O font. O for that same kind of font. I typed O. So I'll just input another font, another text, and then type O. Sorry guys, I can't remember the name of that font. If you want to learn how to download fonts, please check my other video. I showed you how to install fonts in the Pixellab app. So I just click on fonts and that's it for O. Alright, so I'll just enlarge. Let me see the size of this one so that I will match it. 93. Okay, so this one too. This one too should be 93 as well. Alright, so I'll bring it here. Okay, next thing I want to do is to change the color. I want to make it bold first, sorry. Make it bold. Okay, make this one too bold. Okay, see, I came to this B, this style that is with alphabet B. That's where you click on to make it bold. Then to change the font color, you just scroll through. I want that. Okay, come here. Color. I want that. That was how I got this effect. And then the next thing is to write the name of the lady. Okay, come to this plus text, edit, Jasmine. Alright, and I'll increase the size, bring it down here. Okay, change the color to black. Alright, and then change the font. I still can't remember the font I used for this Jasmine. You can pick any font of your choice. I wouldn't want to waste time on this video, so I don't prolong it. Let me go to this place. I can't remember what font I picked, honestly. Let me just go with this. I can't remember the font, so I don't waste much time. Yeah. Then the next thing I want to do is to write this other, you see it's this venue. Okay, then I'll come here. Guys, I'll come here to this plus. I keep forgetting because of the newbies. Come to the plus and then click on shapes. Yes, I want this square shape, but I'm going to adjust it. Okay, and I'll change the color. Yeah, I want that. So I'll just come here and put it. Okay, so now the next thing I'll do will be to input a text. So I come to the plus, click text, edit, and then what was that? Venue. So venue. Royal Court Lagos. time. And that's what I wrote, time. I want it to align with this other one. Okay. Time. 2 p.m. Okay. I'll just bring it here and then I'll change the color. What color was that? White. Okay. Pick white color. Okay. Then I'll adjust the size. I need to reduce the size. Okay. And then I need to realign it, so I'll just scroll through and click on this align. I want to align it to center. Okay, that's what I did. Alright, that's that for this. And then the next thing I want to do will be to write the date. You can see that there. So to do that, you see that rectangular shape there. I come here, click on shapes. Okay, then I adjust it to the way I want it. It's rectangular, right? Okay. Okay, so now what I want to do, I would come here. Please, when you come to this shape, scroll through. You see opacity. I'm going to take it down to 0. Then stroke. I'll increase the stroke a little. Alright, to 4. 4 is okay. Stroke color. That is how I was able to arrive at that. Okay, I picked black for the stroke color. Okay, so I did that. You come here. Click on this to edit. Okay. I want to change it to black. See edit here. So just click on edit. Change the stroke color to black. Alright, so that is it. We can still adjust it if we want to. Then the date, we said 25th, right? So I'll input text, come to A, so you can edit 25th. Alright, let's increase the font. Okay, we'll still adjust it. That's too big. Okay. Alright, the font. I want to change the font. I can remember the font I used here. It's from my fonts. Trenches demo. That's the font I used. But I want to change this to gold, so I'll come to color, change it to gold. Alright, then I would need to adjust it. It's too big. Should I adjust it again? Okay, the next thing will be to write May 2022. Even though May 2022 is gone, this is just for the purpose of this class. Edit and write May 22. Alright, so I will increase the size a little, bring it here. Okay, I think I need to reduce the size. Okay. Okay. I want to change the color to gold. I use gold. Alright, and then I'm going to change the font as well. Change the font. Let's just pick this for the sake of time, so that this video will be longer than normal. Alright. Okay, May 22. Alright guys, that's basically it. So to get rid of this one that I brought here, this the flyer that I designed before. Guys, you come here, click on this, okay, to get rid of it. So I click on this, you can see it here. So we just click on this delete, this to delete. So we just delete it. See, it's gone. So guys, that's basically how to design this kind of flyer. Okay, once you're done to save, you come here, click on this place here to save. When you click on that, you see save as project, save as image. You can save as project so that anytime you come back, you can effect some changes on it. If you want to effect some changes, you save as project, you can save as image. You save as image, you find it in your gallery. Save as project, you come back to your Pixellab app, you find it there and you can re-edit it. Guys, I hope this helps somebody. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you.